So we got a huge jump for Beyond Meat yesterday, and we broke the resistance that we talk about. However, right now we have the last fight from the short sellers. That's why the price pulled back at the market open. We're gonna discuss where the price will go, what's happened at the market open, and what we should expect before the end of trading session for this week by tomorrow, Friday. So before we go further, remember our content here for educational purposes. So let me just show you what's going on. The pre-market guys opened and see what's happened here. Or the market opened and the price went around the 108. Yesterday we have the breakout around the 96. The good thing, guys, that's why I'm doing this update right now. Urgent update is this support. As we said, the 95, it is the most important level for our stock to go higher, of course, toward the $1.32. So Beyond Meat have a huge struggle right now because the short seller adding their position. You know why? Because short sellers, once they add their position, they have more profit. This is it, guys. That's why they still adding their position right now. ABLD, guys, just to note, we discussed this trade yesterday on our Discord and Patreon. As a reminder, APLD have earnings, huge earnings the first time we got positive earnings. And I just want to note that we did the update yesterday for APLD once the price was around the 30 and right now is around the 33. We always do a major update for mini stocks like those. So if you want to join the link in comment section below. Anyway, so if we go back, guys, and discuss Beyond Meat, because as we said, is we have unusual selling pressure for Beyond Meat. We need to hold the 95, and of course right now it's just 4% down. So we need to have, if we want to confirm that we have another buyer, we have to go toward the 30% up around the 130. So 132 right now, it is the current squeeze zone for Beyond Meat. So we have to do 30% in order to squeeze officially for this year or this month for 2026. This is for Beyond Meat. So watch out for the 95 and of course the 81 as a bottom for the rest of the month for Beyond Meat.